What's going on, everybody? Lewis from South Coast Collision and Restoration. Check it out. 1977 Ford Bronco is painted. On this one, they brought us the body. We had to do all the body work to it, get all the body lines right, get them all right with body work. And well, it's painted, it's done. This, the orange, is the color. Flawless, nice and wet. Check it out. If you guys need a free estimate on body work and paint, stop on by. We're at 1921 CR 129 Pearland, Texas, 77581. Yesterday was Thanksgiving. Today's Friday. We at it. I'll let you check out the information. If you guys want to call us, give us a call. Now y'all take care.